Park.
Okay.
Cool DJ D. Can't forget Mario.
Right.
Okay.
Wow.
Tyrone. That's right. Bambata. Who else was over here? A bunch of them. I don't remember all the names.
Wow, so, I mean, that's 40 years ago.
Carrie can vouch for this. The crowd used to be so big.
You couldn't see through the park. You could not see through the park. And you know what? And of course it was all black and Hispanic primarily.
Right.
Okay? I'm not going to say there wasn't some salt sprinkled in, but it was primarily black and Hispanic. And guess what? You didn't have the shootings and the stabbings, even with their gang. Okay? You would have peaceful assemblies of crazy large numbers. So when I couldn't even estimate how many people, because like I said, all of this
whole thing,
foliage, all these gardens that brought the rats and stuff, all of that wasn't there. It was just concrete. So it was from fence to fence. Vote.
So 40 years ago in this park, where Cool D, Tyrone the Mixologist, Disco King Mario, and Africa Bambaataa played, it was primarily black and Hispanic together. That's hip hop.